This is my favorite thermometer on the market. Hey friends, I got a new toy over the holidays and I thought I would do an unboxing with you. And it is the Thermapen 1 from ThermoWorks. I have been wanting one of these for years. I've seen them for so long on America's Test Kitchen. They always have ones with red handles. I got one in blue, my favorite color. Let's see what comes in the box. ThermoWorks is the company is out of Utah here in the US, and this pen, the Thermapen 1, it's made in the United Kingdom. All right. So what's up with the Thermapen 1? Why is it so good? Well, you get, number one, really accurate readings, and the word 1 actually indicates that this Thermapen can take a temperature of a product within 1 second. Ooh. Certificate of calibration, very, very fancy, and actually physically signed. That is kind of funny. Fun. All right. So we've got a nice little owner's manual, nice cover, and actually on the back it has like USDA and chef recommended temperatures. And this is really good. I will say one of the things that I'm anxious to use this thermometer for is in the air fryer, because I think putting food in there, it's cooking differently now, like more rapidly, and I'm not sure if I'm hitting the right temperature at time. And some of the recipes online are all over the place. So the whole point with the Thermapen 1 is that it can read a temperature within 1 second. Oh, this is absolutely lovely. What is so great about the probe is it's really thin at the very end. And what this is great for is you can even slide it into the side of a cookie that you're baking. So, and I didn't know this, but it's battery's already in there. Let me actually take off this protective cover. It's backlit. It looks like it's 71 degrees in my house. And also when you turn it, the cool thing is it sort of follows however you're holding the probe into your product. So, oh my gosh, I absolutely love that. Now, how do you change the battery? And the battery's already in it, but looks like you just unscrew the back, a regular small Phillips head screwdriver to replace that. There's a really nice grippy material here around the perimeter of what you're holding on to in the handle, and so it's not going to slip. And you can even see that they've applied that to the battery cover, so it does say it's waterproof to a certain degree. Don't leave it in the oven. Clean and wipe it with a damp cloth. You don't want to infect, cross-contaminate material by not washing the probe itself. But I am so excited to use my Thermapen 1. And I have been using another thermometer for years, but it was really awkward, and it did not take a second. You really had to hold or put this in your food. The probe was much bigger, so this is such an upgrade. And I would say if you're looking for accuracy and if you're cooking meats and proteins, you don't want to kill people, want to make sure you hit that right temperature, get a Thermapen 1 by ThermoWorks. I think they're absolutely the best. Shuts off when you close it. This was my holiday gift from the husband. Thank you, Greg. The Thermapen 1 in blue. Fun times.